just do content. Like every guru tells you start this business model, start that business model, drop shipping, crypto, SMA. Okay, but actions speak louder than words. And what are they doing? And not what are they telling you to do, what are they doing? And when you look at it, they all do the same thing, which is content. They're all posting on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. They're all over your For You page. So in 2026, to make real money online, to make at least $1,000 a day, 30K a month, what do you think you should do? Well, content. If you can just help these people create better videos that actually make them money, you'll get a piece of the pie yourself. Like, it's so simple. You don't have to overcomplicate it. You could just copy what already works. And clearly, I mean, the proof's in the pudding. What, you think they're just posting for free? You think they're just doing it for fun? Like, no, they're making millions of dollars off of it, so go and join in. Like, all you really need to do is build a content system, land a client, and then hire a video editor to do it for you. Simple as that, and then just take a percentage of the revenue and you'll also be rich. Well, I don't know about rich, but you'll at least hit 10K per month, maybe even 30K per month, which is what I currently do. In fact, look, I'll even show you one of my bank statements to show you I'm not actually a guru, like I do this myself. Let's look at February, let's pull it up. There you go, I did 27K. Actually, it's more like 32K, but this is just my bank. I had some more payments in crypto come in, but you can see I took out 13K for my personal bank account. This is one of my business accounts, 27K. Here are the transactions. Obviously, I had to blur out some of it so I don't get robbed, but this is my legit bank statement for the month of February. And I'll break down exactly how I do what I do as a content operator. Okay, so first off, you pick a niche and you find a creator within that niche to go and manage his content. And it's super simple. The idea is that you want a new way to stand out. You want to make sure that your client is making videos that actually relate to his offer, to what he's selling, so that he can make more money. It really just comes down to knowing who he sells to, so having an ideal customer profile, having an audience that you know you can target. And then on top of that, actually knowing their pain points. Like, what influences purchasing behavior? Well, with Nathan, people are trying to get started with e-commerce, and their journey usually starts with, what product do I pick? How do I overcome limiting beliefs with creating an online business? What kind of website do I need to make? If we can handle that within the content, then we're providing value. We're solving people's problems, and they're in turn trusting him and buying from him, which makes both of us money, right? Myself as his content operator and him as my client. And it's super simple. I just use Operator Labs to find clients. This is actually a custom software that I built on my own. And pretty much you can put seed accounts. So if we go to the Discover page and find prospects, here I can put people like Nathan Nazareth, who are other ecom people, like Reese Smith, and let's say Andy Starring. And then I can filter by presets. They're coaches and they sell programs. I can do 250 prospects, save, and I can run that discovery. And then it's literally going to find me people. It's also going to qualify them. And then I can add them to a campaign, like this business campaign. And here I have access to all of them. Like, for example, Oscar, it gives me opening variants to actually DM them, which identifies a gap in the market, right? Like, when you want to land a client, you have to show him, hey, look, you're missing out on extra revenue because you're not doing XYZ in your content. And as your operator, I'll go ahead and show you how to do this. So that's kind of what type B is. You can role play here. You can follow up. It links to their actual Instagram as well. If we open it right here, boom, Oscar, and it finds people within the niche that we actually pick. Once we link this to our Instagram account, it lands us the client. It creates a call where we can go and pitch them. And then on the call, we're going to build them a system. So this is a recent one that I built. And we're just going to talk about their competitors. We're going to break down content strategies, content formats like talking head, lifestyle, storytelling. We're going to talk about, what type of, level of split should we be marketing. Like, we should have broad content, which is our top of funnel, which gets people interested. We should have middle of funnel content, which actually shows people what business we're doing, or how they can make money online or whatever it is. And then the bottom of funnel is when we actually sell. Because it's pretty unrealistic for someone to watch a video and buy just like that. Like, they usually need to watch a couple more videos to really know what's going on. And we're going to break that down. We're going to talk about competitors. We're going to show them, the buying journey. And then on top of that, ways they can stand out, the positioning. This is way more valuable than an editor because it makes you money. Like the strategy is equally as important. If you're just posting and getting, a million views, but those million people are from India and they're 16-year-old kids, they can't afford to buy from your clients, so you're both going to end up broke, right? Which is why it's so important. And then once we do this, we'll show them on the call our pipeline, like how to systemize the process. And then we're just going to pitch them between 3 and 5K per month, plus 10% to even sometimes 20% of the revenue generated from the videos that we make for them. And boom, that's literally how you make $1,000 a day. If you go to my YouTube channel, I have a video where it's an hour long of me doing this last week, landing Lucas at 3.5K a month. I pitched for 5, but we settled on 3.5 plus 10% revenue share. And then on top of that, this is the actual system that I just showed you earlier. And if you want a full breakdown of me going through everything completely for free, all you got to do is, let's see, I'll link it down below, first link in the bottom of this video, but it's right, boom, right there. It's an hour, 36-minute long full course for free on how to make 10K per month, 30K per month content operating. I'll link it down below, but literally that's it, guys. Like, it's super simple. Just pick a niche, create a content system, use Operator Labs to actually land a client. And then on top of that, go and systemize their content. That's it. You're good to go. Like, it's actually not that complicated. It's literally the most valuable skill you can learn because there's not a business on the planet that can survive without front-end marketing, which is content, right? So you're literally in the best position with the most leverage to make the most amount of money because everyone needs you and no one really knows how to create content that converts. But it's just like we covered. You hit a pain point, you find a niche, a target audience, and then you sell to them in 3 different steps. One of the videos is a little bit broader to show them what you do. Then the middle of funnel is a little bit more specific, and bottom of funnel you sell. Super simple. But anyways, I have the full course linked down below for this description of this video, and leave me a sub on this channel. I hope it helps.